Facebook, it's Machine Monday. Good morning, Facebook. Happy New Year. This is our first Machine Monday of 2020, and we want to start off the new year right with our Clean Floor Resolution program. Today, we're going to go over the Bulldog SS20. The Bulldog is available in 4 different models. The WD20, our most popular 20-inch traction drive disc machine. The SS20, which is a cylindrical setup, sweeper scrubber version. The 26-inch version, and then we have a pad assist or brush drive version of the 20-inch as well. The difference in the SS20 versus the WD20 is just the brush deck. So this machine has 2 cylindrical style brushes that sweep and scrub the floor in a single pass. So we've got solution being sprayed on the floor in front of the front and rear brush, and the rear brush's job is to kick any kind of debris into our debris tray, or hopper, some people call it. But this is gonna pick up things like nuts, bolts, pallet chips, rocks, any small debris that may be on the floor. Cylindrical scrubbers and sweepers, what they do is they eliminate the need for free sweeping or vacuuming. They can do everything all at once. Slightly more expensive than a traditional disc unit. But your return on investment there from labor savings pays for that difference over and over again. The SS20 is the same setup as our WD20, coming standard with gel batteries. They're 2 12-volt AGM Trojan batteries. An onboard charger is standard with this machine. It is self-propelled. We've got an 11-gallon solution tank and a 13-gallon recovery tank. Machine comes standard with a urethane squeegee. Let's see, the machine can also be equipped with our off-aisle wand option. So the power wand hooks into the solution and recovery side of the machine, providing the wand with some detergent to be sprayed on the floor, which we can then scrub with our deck brush. And then we can flip the wand over and suck and remove or extract any of the dirty water off the floor with the squeegee and the vacuum side. So all of our Bulldog models are available with the off-aisle wand, which is great for any small areas like locker rooms, bathrooms, showers, break rooms, underneath any kind of fitness equipment like a kettlebell rack or a dumbbell rack. In between machines if you're in a manufacturing facility. Basically anywhere the scrubber can't go, the wand will get you there, and it provides the same level of clean by extracting or removing the filth, the dirty water from the floor and putting it into our recovery tank of the machine. For the month of January until January 31st, we are going to be offering a free wand with every purchase of a Bulldog floor scrubber, whether it be the WD20, the SS20, or our 2 other models. So take advantage of that free wand option for the month of January. Start your new year off right with a clean floor resolution. And join us back here next week for Machine Monday. Like this page and subscribe, and you'll get alerts for a new video each week.